So every time may vacant kami and we have some extra na mga gamot like Botox, so usually binu-blow out ko yung mga staff ko. So sige, we'll start to do the Botox. So Botox is a muscle relaxant. So it relaxes your muscles so that it will not produce wrinkles. So we're just done with our Botox procedure. So what are the aftercare? Number 1, don't close your eyes or sleep within 5 hours. Kasi baka when you're closing your eyes, the Botox will migrate to the areas na hindi naman intended ng Botox. Number 2, tomorrow na siya basain, okay? So as your skin is recovering from the injection. Third, don't massage the area na kung saan tayo nag-Botox kasi baka mag-migrate din yung Botox natin.